Welcome everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Jay Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Today is one of the episode. It is the best pickup of the week. So we got a few best pickup of this week. 3 shoes and one that I pick up from one store here. So they were really good on sale, and it is a branded name of this clothing, so I can't pass on it, so I had to pick them up. So let's go and move on. You got 3 on this one. First stop, we got the Jordan Superfly MBPL. Colorway is a Phantom Summit White, and the retail is $140, and pick them up for $44.97, and then additional 30% off. Here you go. Nice color. It's like different, something going on all around. It's like snake skin. Oh, that's why you call it Phantom. So there you go. A nice detail on this Superfly MVP, and a lacing, nice lacing, and also some of those Jordan Jumpman right here. Another Jumpman with number 23 with some gold lacing right here, and if you can see right there, there's a number 23 on this lacing. And also midsole, it's like really soft, because I believe this has a React unit on this Superfly. Heel guard, especially if you're playing and doing some footwork, doing basketball footwork. The heel guard in here and this bag, nice. And I like this one because I think that's why they call it MVP, because they had some detail numberings here during the championship or the champion ring. We got the number here, so we got 91, 92, 6, 98, and I can't see that one, probably 88, and also the Jumpman on the sole. So, and I really like this one is the gum bottom. Nice gum bottom detail, and a lot of people are sleeping on this one because I think the color, because of the color, it's like a feminish color, because like it's not really that white, because it's kind of cream, summit white, they call it summit white. So also the Jumpman in there. And there you go, you can't pass on this one. Another lace. Oh, that one makes it more feminine color. So if you could take that out, take this out. So let's see. So if I'm not mistaken, one of the they bring out a React, and the shoe is on this shoes. If you can see React right there, it's the first one they put on the basketball shoe. And retail, the Jordan Superfly MVP 140, colorway is the Phantom and Summit White. Pick them up for $44.97 down to $39 after the 30% off discount. So let's move on to the other shoes, we got another running shoes, Nike Supply SP, which one of those the generation of Breaking 2, and there you go, $49.97 with the additional 30%. Check that out. It has some writing in here, the Nike Running Innovation Superfly, and the number. And this side, I believe already did review of those different colorway. I think I get the red ones. So this one is some kind of gold or blue colorway, transparent, very light, nice padding on the back. So I'm thinking doing some on-foot review of the running shoes, comparing the Nike and Adidas shoes. So please leave a comment down below if which running shoe that I already shown on this video or the past video, or you want me to compare as performance shoe, also casual on foot review. And also this one comes with nice bag. Throw it up right there when you're done running. Can't go wrong on this one. Nike racing shoe, nice thing in the back. Okay, so Nike Supply SP colorway, white, rage green, and summit white. Pick them up for $49.97 with additional 30% off, some more $30. And lastly, not really sure if it's a price mistake when they had this and the hash wall. We call it hash wall in the clearance wall because they took it off the top bottom, the top cover or the top lid usually. And I think this one is just a new release, so probably someone return it. And we got the Nike React Element 55. Retail is $130 and pick them up for $49.97 with the additional 30% off. As you can see, it looks like it's been used. The rubbers on the outsole is kind of dirty already, so I'm thinking it's already used and return it to the store. It's still in a good price because $49.97. Pick them up, why not? Because I've been thinking I would like to try this one. It's been like a hype shoe this year because a lot of the Nike React Element 55 and 57, if I'm not mistaken, they're being sold out, like real sold out, very fast. Especially those transparent one. And this one is really light though, and I believe this sole is had the Nike React, like what I said in the basketball shoe, the first of a kind that has a React on it. Comparing this to the racing shoes, it feels like this one is lighter. Let's take the paper. It feels like it's still lighter than this one. Yeah, because it's just actually really made for running, and they designed it to be lighter because if you could see the transparent in here, and this one is just not that transparent, and also not much of a padding inside. Right here, the only pad that I can feel it is just a little bit right there. That's it. But not bad for the price. If it's more than $50, I wouldn't take it because it's not actually brand new, it's been used and they had to return it in store. So the Nike store take it out, put it on the clearance wall, and put a price tag, like lower price tag, because they knew it was being used. I will do some on foot review on this one because this would be the first Nike React Element 55 in the collection. $49.99 with additional 30%. Not bad. So let's move on. Let's check out what do they have in here. So Nike React right there. The strange thing going on like here. A little bit nice guard, heel guard, small heel guard with Nike React. Color, not bad for the color though. And strange designing and the lacing system right there. And basically that's it. A little swoosh, and that's it. Nothing special on this one. I think they made this shoe for a casual perspective, casual shoes, because it doesn't have that much paddings on the back inside. But I will try to do some on foot review. Please let me know if you want me to do so and compare it with the other shoes. So here we go. Nike React Element 55. Colorway is the Ocean Cube Black Pink Quartz. And the retail is $130 and pick them up for $49.99 with additional 30% off. So that's pretty good pickup of the week. Nice discounted shoes. So let's move on with this one. So this item picked them up from the Macy's online. So they also doing some sale that day, man. You can't pass it on a branded clothing, and I've been waiting for them. Also been thinking to get me one of it, so when they are on sale, why not take one? So this one is the Ralph Lauren Men's Classic Fit Vest. So, and the retail on this is $125 and pick them up for $10. You can see right there, $10 for the vest. Retail is $125. Let's get a bit closer right there. So you can't go wrong with that one. Like who will not pass? Who will pass on that discount? So I picked up two. I got the small one and I got the medium one, because I don't know if it fits really good on me, the small one or the medium one. So the good thing is I had to pick up two, and then if it's the other one is not really good fit, then either one I will return and keep the other one. So I couldn't wait for go to the store and try it on, and why not just buy two, try it. If it's not working, then return the other one. And also another one, pants. What kind of pants are this? It's a fitting pants. Also brand is Lauren. Ed, Edgewood. Color is some kind of reddish pink. And also the same I did is this one is let's see how much it is. It doesn't say how much. No price tag. No price tag. Yep, no price tag. So not really sure, but I think I got it for 20. This one is more expensive though, because also a Ralph Lauren pants, and also have to get them because it was really cheap, way cheaper. Compare it to the outlet store. I've been to the outlet store on Ralph Lauren and been checking their price, and still expensive. And in the Macy's sale, I picked them up. And also I grabbed two because this one is 31 waistline and 32 length. This one is 30 and 32. This one is 31, 30. So I'll just try which one will fit on me, and then if it's not, then I return the other one. Oh, we got the receipt right here. It means Orthaflex Classic Fit, Ralph Lauren. Well, it doesn't show the price, but if I'm not mistaken, it's less than $30. And this pants weigh over 150 the retail, so less than $20 for the pants. For the Frex Ralph Lauren, take them. And also the vest for $10 and retail is $125. And so there you go, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the pickup of the week. So let me know what you think, and leave the comment. Like, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on the next upcoming video. I'll see you later. Peace.